Okay, so to play this game, we have all these verb stems, and we have the English for those verb stems, and we have the endings, okay, for those verb stems. So as you play, if someone were to put Atausiq, then you would have to put something that has rusik or something that has tuku. So here's Atausiq, okay? So then if you can't play on your turn, you have to pick up a new card. If you can play that card, then you play that card. If not, you keep it in your hand, okay? So I'm going to show you another one that will work. So we've got Atausiq. Atausiq would work, okay? Because it's got the taki. Now the next card that would work would be Iñupiaq, okay? Because it's got the ruk. Then the next one, Iñurunga would work because it's got the angi. Tukurunga would work. Now there's special cards, these verb stem cards. So we would have to find the tuku verb stem card to go on there, or we would have to find the English, which is to die. So let me see if I have it right in here, the tuku, because I want to show you what happens. It's there? Good. So if I put the tuku down, then now another verb stem can be put down. Any verb stem could be put down to match that, okay? So we could then do the aula verb stem, okay? And the same thing happens if we put a, okay? Then we can do aula runga, makitarunga, okay? Makitarok. And then if we happen to put an English down, so let's say we've got, find me the, should be standing. I might have it in this pile, let me just see. I didn't check it here at the bottom. Here it is. So if someone puts the English down, you can put any English down on top of that. And then it changes, okay? So now you'd have to put down taki, okay? On top of that. Okay, that's it.